Okay, we're getting ready to go out and go potty. And Wee Wee loves snow. She ain't been outside yet since it started snowing pretty heavily. So let's see how Wee Wee does. Okay, Sil, open the door. Unlock it. Oh, well, jeez. Go, girls, go! She's like, yay, snow! Wee Wee, back down here, come on. Atticus. Holy crap. Cold, I know. Jada's eating it. It's snow, Jay! Yeah, don't eat yellow snow, honey. She's finally gonna potty. Dang! Go, Jay, go! Shug! Did you my Shug? Oh, how they love the snow. Here she goes, here she goes. Gosh dang, Jada. Hey, don't run into the cop car. Okay, guys, it's cold. We gotta go back in. It's cold. Okay, come on. Yeah, sit down. Don't fall. Don't fall. Your feet are wet. It's how much they like